Hi everyone, Les from Comfortable Shoes Studio here, and I'm going to test out the 5Below art journaling setup with one of my daily portrait drawing things that I've been doing. That just seems to be the easiest way for me to test things of late. So I'm going to draw this dude from Earth's World Instagram account, and he's got an epic mustache going on, so we're gonna draw that dude. So the kit, for those of you who didn't or haven't seen the video from last time, the kit from 5Below included a inexpensive sketchbook, a Fineliner set, these acrylic markers, and then a highlighter roller marker set. So I'm going to start with the Fineliners, as usual. I haven't set up this sketchbook at all, so we're gonna go a couple of pages in, just so I can. Alright, so that feels pretty good so far. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree metal craft clip things that I keep on hand. And I'm going to clip my microphone to the journal. Sorry about the... Pretty sure I'm all in frame there. Usually if I stay on the blue mat, I'm good. And I'm going to start with these. I'm going to shut up. Start with the smallest size. yellow to add in a little bit more here. Yeah, I think some of what I'm seeing is because this paper is too toothy for this. But look at that. It stood up pretty well to the intensity of the amount of these markers. Alright, where's my kit? And it is December 26th. I'm going to give that a little stampy stamp here. So here's a tip. If you are looking to add a set of rubber stamp inks, Ranger makes these Distress Archival inks in these little tiny stamp pads, and they are great colors. You can get them in a 4-pack, and they're pretty affordable. So if you are like me and like using oops. Let's get the right way. Rubber stamps, like this date stamp, in your art journal, then this can be a great way to add a bunch of little colors to your set. Alright, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!